Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this device. If you want to change the straps on this Smart Band, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, we need to grab our Smart Band, turn it around, and on the back of our Smart Band, you should see that next to each strap there is this button. And this is basically the release mechanism. And to release it, you need to press on this button, and once you press it in, you will be able to pull out the strap, basically. It's quite simple. You just push in this button, and here, and then pull the strap out. And here we have our straps and our Smart Band. And once you get your new Smart Bands, or rather not Smart Bands, but straps, my bad, and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. You simply grab your band, your strap, and you simply put it in like this. You have this metal latch on the strap. You need to insert it right here in the hole on the Smart Band. And once you insert it, I believe this is the top one, so like this, it will click, and once it clicks, it means that the strap is locked in. And you can do the same for the bottom one, like this. And here we have it. And that's how you change the straps on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.